I was born in the year 1745 in a charming, fruitful vale named Isaka. We are almost a nation of dancers, musicians, and poets. Our manners are simple, our luxuries few. Cheerfulness and affability are two of the leading characteristics of our nation. Our land is uncommonly rich and fruitful and produces all kinds of vegetables in great abundance. Agriculture is our chief employment and everyone, even the women and children, are employed in it. I was very fond of my mother and almost constantly with her. The natives of this part of Africa are extremely cleanly. I still look back with pleasure on the first scenes of my life, though that pleasure has been for the most part mingled with sorrow.